If you have been online in the past few days, you may have heard of the Planet Parade. Yes, the January 2025 Planet Parade, which is said to be taking place for the first time in 396 billion years. Well, that is kind of not true. The simple reason being that the entirety of the known universe is only 13.8 billion years old. Also, it's not extremely rare for multiple planets to appear together in the night sky. Yet, this parade, which will occur across January and February, is a bit special. Here's NASA explaining to you why.
In January, you'll have the opportunity to take in 4 bright planets in a single sweeping view. All month after dark, you'll find Venus and Saturn in the southwest for the first couple of hours, while Jupiter shines brightly high overhead and Mars rises in the east. Uranus and Neptune are there too, technically, but they don't appear as bright planets. These multi-planet viewing opportunities aren't super rare, but they don't happen every year, so it's worth checking it out. Now, these events are sometimes called alignments of the planets, and while it's true that they will appear more or less along a line across the sky, that's what planets always do. That line is called the ecliptic, and it represents the plane of the solar system in which the planets orbit around the Sun. This is, incidentally, why we sometimes observe planets appearing to approach closely to each other on the sky, as we view them along a line while they careen around the cosmic racetrack. This is exactly what we'll be seeing from Venus and Saturn as they head for a super close approach in mid-January. After the beginning of the month, they quickly get closer and closer each evening, appearing at their most cozy on the 17th and 18th, before going their separate ways. Remember, they're really hundreds of millions of miles apart in space, so when you observe them, you're staring clear across the solar system.